With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, here is a question. Which of the following statement is correct? Torque is a rotational analogy of force. Rolling motion of cylinder down an inclined plane is combination of translation and rotational motion. If the effort arm is larger than the load arm, the mechanical advantage is lesser than 1. For the extended body, center of mass and center of gravity do not coincide. So it has 4 statements. So one by one we discuss the statement. So first of all, we discuss the first statement. In first statement, torque is a rotational analogy of force, right? If we talk about the force is F is equals to mass into acceleration, right? And this force is applicable for a linear motion, right? And we know that the torque is equals to I into alpha. So torque is equals to I into alpha. I is a moment of inertia and alpha is a angular acceleration. And we use the term torque in the rotational motion. But if we look at the two formulas, and in two formulas we simply replace mass with moment of inertia and acceleration with angular acceleration. But the same work is done by the force in the linear motion as torque in the rotational motion. So first option is a correct option. Now come to the second option. In second, rolling motion of cylinder down an inclined plane is a combination of translation and rotational motion. First of all, we consider this is a side view of the cylinder, right? Now, and the velocity of center of mass is acting downward, and this is a omega. Omega is angular acceleration, right? And here is a point of contact. And if the rolling motion of the cylinder down an inclined plane means the direction of the velocity of center of mass is in the way, and the r omega is in the opposite direction of the velocity of the center of mass. So we can write like r omega is equals to velocity of center of mass, right? And then this equation, this statement or this statement satisfies, then it performs translation as well as the rotational motion. So our second statement is also correct. Now come to the third statement. If the effort arm is larger than the load arm, the mechanical advantage is lesser than 1. So come to the third point. Like we understood with the help of a diagram. Here is a effort E, and here we apply a load L, and this is a effort arm and this is a load arm, and the effort arm is larger, that's why we use a capital R, and the load arm is smaller. So at equilibrium we know that ER is equals to LR, right? Now at equilibrium ER is equals to LR, and we know that capital R is greater than small r. If capital R is greater than small r, that implies capital L is greater than E, right? Means output is greater than input, and the mechanical advantage is a ratio of output divided by input. But in case the mechanical advantage, if we talk about the mechanical advantage, in this case the mechanical advantage is greater than 1. So our third statement is an incorrect statement, right? Now come to the fourth statement. In fourth statement, first of all, we will talk about the center of mass. Center of mass, we'll talk about the center of mass. Center of mass is a point where whole mass of the body is concentrated, right? And if we talk about the center of gravity is a point where the torque of gravitational force is 0, right? And in uniform field, in uniform field, the center of mass and center of gravity both coincide, right? Both completely coincide. So here we talk about for the extended body. For the extended body, both do not coincide. So this statement is also correct statement. So first, second, and fourth statements are the correct statement. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.